Welcome to Bindlestiff Nation. This is Bindlestiff Joe, and this is the part 3 of our series, Secret Storage.
Okay, got the forms all built. Only got one installed so far. I want to work my way up. Got my vibrator installed, and I'm hopefully going to use this piece of paper, cardboard, as a kind of a chute. So, let's see how this works. This would probably be a really good opportunity to mess around with that microphone I bought 4 or 5 months ago, but it's still in the box. Definitely going to need more of that first batch. Probably need some of the second batch too. Definitely have to buy more concrete. Okay, well, there's definitely more in that first batch than I thought, so I don't think I'll need the second batch for this first form. Definitely going to need more than 4 bags of concrete for the whole process. Jam it in, put the next stage up, jam it in, put the next stage up sideways, across this way, instead of going up, because there's no room up there to dump anymore. So that's the plan. Get some dinner and take my shoes off and go to Home Depot in the morning and finish this project, hopefully. The time I'm doing it for the camera, it's the time I have trouble, right? I want this to be a little on the soupy side so that hopefully it'll flow better into those extraneous cracks and whatnot. Electric. This probably would not pass a slump test, but that's the idea.
Okay, this is going to conclude our part 3 of our secret storage series of videos. This is Bindlestiff Joe with Bindlestiff Nation. As always, like and subscribe. Adios.